What's good, YouTube? I'm about to give y'all a little update on the electric motorcycle conversion. A 2003 Suzuki Savage converted to a Barber. I've already removed the rear seat and the rear fender, painted the bike black. It was like a forest green color when I first received it. On the first episode, I got a welder buddy of mine to come by and install the motor sub base, some 1/4 inch steel for me to give me a surface to mount the electric motor. And yesterday I just received the new electric motor in the mail. It's the Motenergy ME-1306, 12 kilowatt motor, 66 foot-pounds of torque, 5,000 RPM, brushless 3-phase DC motor. Yeah, it should pack plenty punch. Y'all probably run it at 96 volts, 100 amp hour lithium battery. It's rated for 150 amp continuous current, 450 amp peak current. I'm probably running at about 125 amps. Ensure a long life out my motor. Should give me plenty of power. The motor weighs about 39 pounds or 17 kilograms. Just to give you some perspective, I'll go ahead and sit it somewhat near where the mount on the bike. Just to give you guys a perspective of the size of the motor compared to the motorcycle. If the Suzuki will start with a belt drive, I may leave it at a belt drive. I may change it to a chain drive, depending on how I do. Yeah, I'll probably run some tall gearing. Like I say, the motor has 66 foot-pounds of torque. That's it's pretty strong. So I'll probably run tall gearing, maybe a 3-to-1 or even more aggressive. Get some high top end speeds. I should still have plenty of punch. Probably just buy a few different sprockets to test. Yeah, I'm really excited about the build. Thanks for watching.